Hey everyone, it's Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software. I have a quick trick for you that will make diagramming even faster. In here, I've got this flowchart, and I need to duplicate this step icon. To do that, all I need to do is hit Command D, I'm on a Mac, or Control D to duplicate. And then I can go ahead and connect it up here to my diagram. Just click to edit. Sometimes that's a little bit easier than dragging and dropping every single shape. Now there are a bunch of keyboard shortcuts in Gliffy that I want you to be aware of. You can find all of those in the Help panel here under Shape Shortcuts, Document Shortcuts, and Mind Map Shortcuts. So here is Command D on that duplicate tip, as well as a bunch of others. We've got the standards like copy and paste, but also knowing group, Command G, and ungroup can be really helpful too. Give these a look, and good luck diagramming.